Hi everyone, today I'm making Ganesha idol for Ganesh Chaturthi. So we have to make the clay in balls. So here I have used mud clay, you can use the normal clay also. The biggest one is the stomach, the next two are for the base and the face, the next five are for legs, hands, trunks and crown, the two small ones are for ears. So let's put a transparent sheet on the plate so that it won't stick after drying. So take the base clay and press it gently to make it in a circle shape, and take little water in your hand and make it even surface. Next, take the stomach and blend with the base. So here we are placing the face and blending it again. So next we are gonna make the trunk. So make it in a carrot shape and then bend it a little bit so it looks like a trunk. So this is the front part, and let's place the trunk in it and blend with the face. Here our trunk is blended with the face perfectly, as you can see. So next we are gonna make the legs. So you can use two or one. Here I am using one, taking into two parts. Roll them and make them into the size like carrot. Bend the front part as like the real Ganesha. Fix them with the structure of the remaining and blend them at the back now, or you can do at the last. So do the another leg like the same as the last one, but in this you have to do the opposite side. So here I am gonna blend it at the last. So I have fixed in the both side legs and just blend it clearly so that it won't come out. Now that we have blended everything, let's make the hands. So we are gonna take one ball. You can take two balls also. I'm gonna split one ball into two parts. Roll it clearly and make in a carrot like shape again. Press the front part of the clay gently as it shows like a real hand, and draw the same like the toes in the hands as fingers. So our hand is ready. Let's place it in the structure. Blend them at the back. So take other half of the hand and roll it gently in a carrot like shape. In this hand we are gonna make it like holding modak. So do it like this. So here our hand is ready. Let's make the fingers. So our hand is ready. Let's fix it in the structure and blend it at the back. Now we are going to make modak. Take a small piece of excess clay and just roll it and keep it in the hand. Now let's make the crown. So we need one big one and one small one. So let's keep the small one the same like that only. Let's make 3 parts with the big one. Roll them all correctly. One in a cylindrical shape, one in a circle shape, and do it like a flat circle. And make a hole in the middle. The same but little bit smaller than that one. Another circle and make a hole in the center. Next one we are gonna make a circle and do it like a gopura. Let's join all of the things to make the crown. Let's make the big one of the circle, then the smaller than that. Next, keep the small ball, that was the gopura, and place it on top of the Ganesha. Blend it at the back side. Now take the cylindrical thing and just fold it a little bit and keep it on that crown and blend it well. Now we are gonna make the ears. So take the smallest ball and make 2 parts. Make in the shape of the ears by flattening the circle and shaping them. Blend them well with the head of it. Make another ear like the same and fix it. Make designs of yourself, and here we have given a thread which the Brahmins wear. You can even do the eyes and the other things. So this is our Ganesha. We have kept pearls as modaks, and we have kept the stone in the eyes, and Vibhuti, the swastik sign, and the stone in the crown. Thank you.